Hello everyone, Frosty901 here. This is a Medeco that I got from Drauken over on the Lockpicking subreddit. You'll see I've only got it pinned up with 2 pins for now. I managed to get it open with 2 pins, so I'm going to try to do that one more time, get it on film, and try to maybe document my Medeco journey, if you will. Alright, there's only 2 pins in it, but it's still a pain in the ass to me. Alright. Alright, that first pin, it's a really high set pin. You gotta, oh, and I just kind of tickled that into rotation. Let me try that again, scrambling the pins a little, because I don't feel like I had to rotate that one very much at all. Alright, got them both set to shear. Now, find the one that's binding up. Here, ease off tension so you can rotate your pin, but I don't want to ease off too much and lose my shear set. Let me try this little decap lifter pick. It's got a notch in the tip. Supposedly good at, oh, there we go. Alright guys, that's gonna do this video. I'm just gonna keep recording my progress as I progressively pin this up all the way to 6 pins. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna probably make a separate playlist just for my Medeco learning, because that's what I'm doing. I'm learning this lock. It's way different. But alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a great night.